make your hand like this. Now look at me, like we'll do like this, and then you have to make your hand tight, and then bring these two fingers in between you. Okay? So make your hand, bring two fingers, make it your hand tight, 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 tight. Now imagine, keep looking at, imagine your fingers are magnet, they're coming closer and closer and closer. Just let it happen. When they touch, close your eyes. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. And now imagine there is a super glue on your fingertips are locked. The however hard you try to separate your finger, but you cannot. The harder you try to separate, the more tighter you try to separate, but you cannot. The harder you try to separate, you cannot separate. Now imagine this glue from the fingers going to your eyelids are stuck. Now you cannot open your eyes. Try to open your eyes, but you cannot. The harder you try to open, the more tighter you try, but you cannot. The harder you try, the more tighter it becomes. And now as your fingers are stuck, your eyes are stuck, your legs are stuck to the floor, you cannot move your legs. Try to move your leg, but you cannot. The harder you try to move, the more tighter. See? Try to move, but your legs are stuck to the floor. Try to move your leg, but you cannot. The harder you try, the more. When I snap my finger, your fingers will release, your eyes will release, but your leg will stuck to the floor. Yes, you can separate, open your eyes. Try to move your leg, but you cannot. The harder you try to move, the more tighter. Try. Open your mouth. Stuck. You cannot close it. The harder you try to close, more wide and blow. Try, but harder you cannot. Try, but you cannot. When I snap my finger, you will be able to close your mouth, but your number will be gone. Your name will be gone. Open your mouth. Open your ears. You can open your mouth. Open, you can relax. Yes. What's your name, sir? What's your name? You know my name?
Pradeep Aggarwal.
You know your father's name?
Pradeep Aggarwal.
What's your name? Okay, your name come back before. What's your name?
Karthik.
Karthik.